Alishan Zulfikarov, a resident of the village of Goshchin in the Shamakir region, held a press conference at the Arafat Press Center to speak about the family conflict. According to him, there has been a long dispute between his brothers Khagani and Shirvani to inherit his father's property. When his father bought a house for Khagani in the village, Shirvani inherited his father's house, so the good relations were restored between brothers. On June 20, 2010, upon his return home from a visit to Khagani, Shirvani suddenly died at his own house in front of his 3 children. Alishan Zulfikarov believes that his brother was poisoned with formalin as a result of the property disputes between the brothers. He came to this conclusion after his bloodied handkerchief was sent to Ukraine for examination, but for more than a year he has appealed to the President, public authorities, and Shamakir Regional Prosecutor's Office for an investigation into causes of Zulfikarov's death, but has not had any success. He blames Shamakir Region Prosecutor Fizuddin Musayev for not properly investigating his brother's death.